All right.
So that's what I want. Please don't have a great watcher.
Okay, guys. Strategy.
Chris, where's your holster? Do you have it on?
I don't have it on. I'll just go primary only first round. All right. So 5-minute King of the Hill round is, and whoever's holding the hill at the end is the one who gets the point.
What is the hill?
The hill is the stage. So whoever gets up there and changes the light to be...
The only thing that matters is the last 10 seconds.
Exactly. The last minute. There are 4 minutes and 59 seconds that mean jack. So we can just sit, wait for the 4-minute mark, and then blitz the gym. Sound good?
Also, to whom it may concern, in the next few games, not the first couple, but after that, we're going to be instituting the possibility of running in squads.
Actually, we're going to do that. We're going to do that right now. All of us squad up.
Yeah. So the way that that's going to work, we're going to outline the rules for that. The way that's going to work is we're going to do squads of no less than 3, no more than 6. And what happens is that if you get hit and you're with your squad, you do your death counter with them.
Yep.
So
also, each squad is going to have a radio.
yes, each squad is going to have a radio.
Elder Barney, if you can find the radios in there.
Chris, where's the tape?
Sounds good.
Where's
I'm so excited.
tape? I believe is still in the gym.
This is freaking awesome.
Yeah.
I do light demonstration for you.
Sister Barzi,
I write for you.
why did she not get tape? You were doing the tape.
Why didn't she get tape?
One person's tape. I presented it to somebody.
You want
Wait, I have our tape. I have our tape.
Okay.
Oh, Aaron's got the tape.
Aaron's got it.
Here.
Just
No,
make sure
no.
that it
Here,
stays with a member of our team, please.
yeah, I have to make up for because I'm
No.
no. Oh wow. Okay.
Someone else.
You tried, Chris. You tried. You tried, buddy.
I was just trying to make it right because it was my fault you didn't get tape somehow. Alrighty. Anybody else not have tape? Anybody? Why am I getting a text?
There you go.
All right, question.
Alright, we're on squad, you me.
I did not set a timer. Did anybody else set a timer? Yeah, so
Yeah.
Jaron, we're gonna.
Yeah. So every squad should have at least one full auto monstrosity thing and at least one sharp shoulder.
My thought is that the squad rule has not been implemented, so you don't have to. You can run alone or
Yeah.
you should.
You don't.
However, if you want to start practicing that now, it's not a bad idea.
If you want to squad up, where do we get a radio?
Radios should be in the blue bag here.
Let's squad up. Let's squad up.
Yeah. I'm highly recommending squad, especially for people who squeeze them. Yeah, they're softer now. I got rid of all of the hard ones.
Go back here.
Should be that one, yeah.
When we're squads? No, but we do now.
Yeah.
Does everybody have a blaster and all the ammo they want?
I haven't maybe stuff in my coat and
Just go on that too.
Tape's on the piano.
I had an MID.
We both got the same.
It was like 100 yards. I couldn't get within, or not 100 yards. It was like 100 feet. I couldn't get within 100 feet. Shoot him. So I had to take out a pistol. So I just
I'll be right back. I'm gonna find out if we're... I hear music! You live? Alright. We're live! We're live! So everybody get into the hall.
This is basically the Alright. Is there like a chant for our team?
Kill, fight, die. That's what a good soldier should do.
Chris, do we have a chant for our team?
Kill, fight, die. That's what a good soldier should do.
Heck yeah. Kill, fight.
Watch that side. Quick.
One guy is hiding behind the.
Right,
Yep.
yep. On the right side of those doors.
Oh, sugar. I should, you know, maybe put a mag in. Got him. Yeah, watch that side. Yeah, conserve your ammo. Don't go nuts.
How was I not hit just then?
Why don't we cut
Ah, hit.
Are you hit?
Yeah.
Yeah, hit.
This gun doesn't work.
We both got shot at the same time. What's up?
It's good. It's just getting jammed over and over again. That was like the third bullet in a row got jammed.
Oh, take a look. See anything?
Hey, bullet.
Yeah. So go to Brother Hale. There's a ramrod. Just keep your hand in the air. Take the ramrod, knock it out. Alternatively,
Is there
grab
another
something
gun?
good. Yes. Right there, that one, that red one with the Magpul stock. Run that. It's gonna take, yeah. It only takes short darts, so fill up like one of those 15 round gray. There's Drake's in traffic.
Where's the short?
Should be. Oh, open up that one on the end there.
This?
Yep.
Right on.
What's up?
My back here to respond?
Yep.
Just put my hand on there?
Yep. 20 seconds.
Copy.
How we holding up?
Slowly progressing.
Yeah. Don't bother pushing, guys. Slow and steady. Just hang out here.
Okay, I'm honestly so looking forward to squads. This is so chaotic.
Yeah.
I don't know why
I say we do storm.
Stage is good.
Well, but then we have to hold
Yeah.
it so that- I think the idea
Yeah.
is if people start getting here, you can have like one person.
You having a jam? All right. So.
The bullets in here in the hole.
All right. So go to Brother Hale.
Did we
Just.
set a timer? What's our timer at?
What's time at? 2 minutes?
2 minutes left or 2 minutes in?
2 minutes left. Okay.
Brother Hill.
Please give us a 1 minute warning over the thing.
Where's Brother Hill?
Right over there. Just keep your hand in the air.
Oh, I think Jaren's engaging the other boys downstairs. They don't come up here.
Okay. Someone watch Maddie there.
Perfect. Thank you. There you go, Maddie. You got it.
Yeah, I can keep going.
Ha ha, Joseph. You are so
Oh, this thing's just illegally fun. Incoming. Catherine, what's the time? 1:15?
I'm over here.
Ready up, ready up.
Where's the hell?
Right in there, go in through there, find the light switch, hit the one that says us, or turn the dial that says us.
Okay, someone else will do that.
Alrighty. Okay, can you handle that? Go to, there'll be a dial up there, turn it until it's, screw it, I'll do it. I'm the one who knows where it
Are we
is.
just gonna break for it? Fine here.
Alrighty.
Fine, Chris.
Time! That 1 minute? Catherine, what's the time? Seconds, go! Hit! 30 seconds. This round ends at 30 seconds. Push up. Go, go, go. Push, push, push. Unless you're hit. Okay, then don't do that.
Pink and orange is hard to tell.
Yeah. To be, well, everyone else has the advantage of just whoever you recognize as not being in your ward.
That's the problem. I'm the only one from my ward.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 1,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000. I think that means we maybe got it. Those cheers and shouts of acclamation.
I'll go check it. Get that clip? Yeah.
Yeah, I figured it out. It's cool. Oh, yeah. I thought you were going to push them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just about battle of the hallway.
Yeah. So I gotta ask. Countdown it, like announce it for a minute.
1 minute. Okay.
Yeah.
I have to unplug
Like-
the music when I do that. So.
Oh.
And I can plug it back in. It's no big deal.
Okay.
It
Yeah.
just doesn't work. But I can.
Yeah, it was just like we were waiting for the last minute. And what time is it? And we hear 30 seconds. We're like, all right. What? Where? Okay.
All right. You got 5
Congrats
minutes for
on
reload,
being the
5
first one
minutes
to
for
hit
reload.
someone you're not supposed to hit. Go sit down.
We started the game?
No, we haven't.
Have not.
Okay. We're not even playing right now, and you hit someone you're not supposed to hit. Go and sit down.
Wait, so Ellie, if you wouldn't wait like history of the turn, like the game's they count that way. So that
No, it hasn't started yet. Now it has, yes, because we're playing music. But yeah, we were still in reload mode.
What?
Yeah. Game hasn't started yet. And also, why are y'all grouping up in there?
We got the game started. So we're going to go copy. Chris, I'm not sure I understand. So do we get points for every second that we hold
No,
the base?
just whoever's holding it at the end. And if you're thinking that does kind of lead to a certain style of gameplay, it does.
Gotcha. So it doesn't matter if we hold it for the whole time. Which is why you guys hung out, and then at the last second you guys went in and attacked. Gotcha. So it's not like King of the Hill where you get points for staying there.
Yeah, it's just a matter of if we were going to try and do it that way.
Is he suggesting what I was talking about earlier?
Yeah.
Timing
The
it?
issue is just how are you gonna think about
Evaluate?
yeah, think about it from the perspective of the scorekeepers. That's gonna be a nice.
So how did you guys? Who switches the lights?
Yeah, just when you get up there, go ahead and turn them. Back, I'd recommend. You know.
Joseph,
They should be clearly labeled.
How did you feel about the balance? Did you guys get out too early? Like, you guys were here.
Well, we guys asked us
We weren't
to
told
like,
at the start. So we were in our base
Oh my god.
waiting.
Oh.
And we came out. It was like, go!
That
And then it was
explains.
there's like a secret.
So, you know,
Yeah,
what are you
no,
supposed
no.
to do?
That we were just in reload mode. Yeah. So we're going to use the microphones next time because the music's so
We
low
were
nobody
3
can hear.
teams
We can't
versus
even.
1.
I think extra time was helpful.
Oh, use the microphone as they go?
Yes.
I did a
100%.
I did a countdown.
And it was kind of
Yeah,
fun.
no,
They
we
were like
found
defending the
the
base.
And all the
We couldn't even hear that.
Okay, do you want to start our base? You want us to
Yeah. Starting your base. We might.
Defending next.
It also, if you take away the edge, I don't know.
Defending next.
Oh no, it's just throw it first.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll. I don't know. Maybe here. I got an idea. Give me your number.
Okay. just text me go something.
Yeah.
Or like give me a 10-second.
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you.
Yep.
Because that thing shoots like a machine.
There's a few of my darts. Or, well.
I got you, buddy. Don't worry about it.
Ooh, I know I dropped a few over here. Alright. Text me go, and then I will send a text message to the downstairs people to go. Because, yeah. You text me a few times. Yeah, so we reload up. Sorry about that mix-up. We didn't realize. I mean, we couldn't even hear when it started. I walked out to see like, hey, are we going? And didn't find out. So I'm going to text one of you guys. I'm going to text one of you guys when the round starts. So yeah, go if you need to reload. I'm so sorry that you guys don't need to reload after this round. Thank you. So,
I was gonna give the ones to him.
yeah, just the red ones for me. Thank you. So, decent. Could be better, could be worse.
Game mode.
So, we're gonna do the King of the Hill again. This time we're, gonna let the other ward know. Yeah. Because, yeah, apparently some wards missed out on.
Missed out that they need to be in the gym.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So just reload up your mags if you need to and all that.
Yeah.
Top up your hopper in your case.
Well, I think that we'd probably like have a forward strike unit just to get them.
Well, so the thing is, all teams to gymnasium, please. All teams.
But that's just my opinion.
Okay, why are we all coming to the gym? I don't know why we're coming to the gym.